joyfully welcome you to our culminating meeting. We're most grateful for the presence of our family, friends, brothers and sisters who are here with us. To join us on this significant day as we exhibit how the Lord had faithfully shepherded us throughout the 2 years of our training.
To the trainers, training assistants, and all the serving ones, thank you for consecrating yourselves to the Lord and for allowing Him to use you to minister Christ into us. We have been deeply encouraged, strengthened, and supplied. Our prayer is that we as a batch would experience the same Christ that you have received and faithfully care for God's people for His building.
Our dear serving ones in the kitchen, thank you for shepherding us. The meals that you lovingly prepared not only cherished us physically, but also nourished us spiritually. For our maintenance and gatekeepers, thank you for maintaining order and ensuring our safety. Truly, your service saints ministered Christ to us.
To the dear young people, thank you for sharing with us your unique portion of Christ. Your freshness, love for the Lord, and pursuit have encouraged us to go on. What a privilege it is to serve alongside you and to be built up together in Him.
The localities whom we have served with, thank you for the love, care, and encouragement you have shown to us throughout our coordination. Truly, your support has strengthened us in our service. Indeed, the Lord has shepherded us through the love and faithful care of His body.
To the continuing trainees, our fellow sheep in the Lord, may you continue to allow the Lord to shepherd you in every sovereign arrangement. Remain humble, open to His speaking, and steadfast in your pursuit for the Lord. It has been our joy to journey with you these